Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be explaining AT&T ActiveArmor, how it actually works and why you might want to use it in 2026. So AT&T ActiveArmor is a mobile security and call protection app which is designed to help protect users from spam calls, scam messages and online threats. The app works alongside your AT&T wireless service and provides tools that help identifying the suspicious calls, block fraud attempts and monitor the potential data risks. It is basically an extra security layer for your smartphone and mobile network. Now, one of the main features of the app is automatic spam call detection. The system analyzes the incoming calls and can flag and block the numbers that are known for spam or scam activities. Some versions of the app also include identity monitoring feature. These tools can notify you if your personal information such as email addresses or your account details appears in the known data breaches. This allows you to take action quickly and protect your accounts. Another useful feature is the network protection. So the app can warn you if you connect to the unsecure public Wi-Fi networks, helping you avoid potential risks like data interception and malicious websites. So AT&T ActiveArmor usually offers both free and the premium features. The free version typically includes the basic spam call blocking and fraud alerts, while the premium version adds advanced identity monitoring, stronger call protection, and additional security tools. Which option you choose actually depends on how much protection you want for your phone and personal data. If this video helped you understand the app better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.